beautifuls, it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I have my ice cream beauty box for the month of March 2024. We're going to open this thing and see what's in here. The ice cream beauty box, they send you their monthly subscription and they send you 5 to 7 beauty products in a box a month. You pay $25 for this. If you love makeup, you love color, this is the box for you. They do push your limits. So if you're like the basic girl and you do the basic look, you're going to get pushed to the limits with this box because the colors are always popping and it's always something unusual, like an unusual eyeliner, like a red liner or something crazy. But it's fun. I think it pushes you to the limit, helps you create different new looks. But yeah, we're going to get right in here and see what's in here. So this is my box for the month, and I love that this box always comes with a makeup palette, so you're guaranteed to have a makeup palette. So this is our little card. It says March, make your own look. I love it. You are responsible for your own happiness, so yeah, make your own look. So on this card we have a little brief description of every product along with the value. So we'll get right in here. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm pulling out, we have a Beau Babe, Beau Babe Beauty. They had something in the box last month from Beau Babe Beauty. So this is liquid highlight drops. So let me pop this open so we can see what these liquid highlight drops look like. But the information that we have here about these highlight drops, it says gold opal iridescent highlighter. So this is how it comes outside of the box here, and I'm gonna shake it up. And this is valued at $35, guys. This is a cream highlighter with a dropper, but the formula is thick, so we highly recommend you use a brush instead of the dropper. It makes it easy to pick up. It says the color is absolutely stunning and it has a beautiful but light shift of white to gold, so you can build and make it more intense or blend it out for more of a subtle glow. So let's see what we're going to do here. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is how it looks. It does have the dropper. I'm not going to do a whole drop, but I'm going to do a dab on the back of my hand so we could kind of see how this is going to blend out. So I got a little spot here because if it's really intense, I don't want my hand to look crazy looking. Oh, it does blend out very goldy. Oh, that's not bad. I like that look. That's not bad. That I can do. I thought it was going to be like really loud, and I didn't want anything that was really loud. But yeah, that's nice. I can use that. That'll work. So this again is valued at $35 for this gold highlighter. And yeah, I think it blended out very gold looking on the back of my hand. Very subtle. So yeah, you could blend it out as much as you like. I like that. So let's go to the next thing. We have wrapped up in here. We have an Ofra product. I do like Ofra. So the Ofra product here that we have, this one is called Unit Blusher by Ofra Cosmetics. Is valued at $29. This is a pinky peach rose blush and a medium warm bronzer all in one. And it says this is every cheek is better with half of this liquid to bake formula that glides on and melts onto your skin. And this is valued at $29. So let's take a kind of swipe or something on this one. Let's see what we can do. I'm just going to swipe down the middle and put that on the back of my hand. So this is what I got. And let's put it next to this one here. So the pinky, it's like a light pinky. Yeah, I'm going to just swipe again in the middle just so you guys can see. And I just went down the middle of both of them. The bronzer and the pink side. So we can just kind of see how it all comes together and looks. But yeah, that's what came out. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, so $29, and I like Ofra's formula anyway. I like their highlighters. They do good highlighters too, so that's cool. So again, $29 for this one here. And let's go to our next item in here. What is this? We have a Zisa product. Zisa has been in this box almost every month, I think. Zisa, we have a redness correcting primer by Zisa. This is valued at $22. It says, don't worry about the green shade. The green color will help counteract any redness on the skin. Once you blend the primer out, the green color will fade away and you would apply your foundation on top. Now, me personally, I don't have an issue with any kind of redness, so that's not a problem that I need a solution to. So I'm not going to open this simply because it would just be a waste. I will find someone who may need this and you have an issue with, you know, the redness, but for me personally, I have no issues with redness. This is not a product that I would use, so I'm just not even going to bother to open it personally. So let's go to the next thing. That's a bummer. I can't use that one. Okay, so the next thing I have, we have Face. I've never heard of this brand. So let's see what they say about Face. So this is Bliss. This is a velvet dream stick by Face. This is valued at $12. That's not bad. This is an intense pigmented lipstick formula that not only gives you unbelievable color payoff that lasts, but also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. So let's see what color we have here. And once I seen the peachy color, I kind of got scared, like, is this going to be a light color? Let's see. Oh, it's actually like looks like a senna red almost. Looks like that's the color. Yeah, like a senna red. I don't know if I'm gonna like this color on me. I don't know. I may like it. Alright, I'm gonna do a swatch on this side. Let's do a swatch over here with this lip color. Oh, it's not bad, but I say it's still not my color per se. Yeah, I don't like this for me. This is not a color I like for me. This would be great on someone else, just not for me. Yeah, that swatch don't work for me at all. So yeah, again, this is the color Bliss. This is a velvet dream stick by Stina, and this is valued at $12. So that is what the color looks like. And I think we're down to one more thing in our box. So let's go ahead and see what it is. It is our palette. So here's our palette, and our palette is made by who makes this one? This was End of the Rainbow palette by Ladybug Glow X and Ice Cream Beauty. So this is a $30 palette, and it says, we are so honored to bring you Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. And it says, in our box for the first time ever, so this is the first time we're seeing it. This is a collaboration palette with a great introduction to their amazing formula, and the palette contains 2 duochromes, 1 multi-chrome, and 6 mattes. The duochromes are stunning, shimmery, shifty, and everything you could ask for in a duochrome, and the mattes are very pigmented and easy to work with. And again, this is valued at $30. So it does have a mirror, which will fold down, and I'm going to take the plastic off so you guys can check out the colors. Very springtime, very springy. I like it. I like the pop of color. Definitely, this is definitely fun here. This is a nice little palette that you can have fun with. Now, if you're a little scared, I would probably maybe tone it down a bit and maybe try the shimmers, like go with the mattes first and then maybe put the shimmers on like in the center or something like that to kind of get used to playing with them. But yeah, this looks like a fun palette. I like it. I like it. So they all have little names: Lucky, Dreamy, Pot of Gold, Possible, Mesmerizing, Hope, Clover, and what is this, Magical, and Cloudy. So very fun. I think that's fun. So this is a cool palette to me. I can't wait to try out the formulas and see how they work out. But again, this was valued at $30. So in review, we have 5 products in our box. We have the palette of the month, which is made by Ladybug Glow. We have another lipstick in here, which is Bliss Velvet Dream Stick by Stunner Face at $12. We have the Ofra Cosmetics. This is their blusher and bronzer at the same time, called Unit, and this is valued at $29. We have a color corrector for redness made by Zisa Cosmetics. This is the redness correcting primer. And we have the Babe Beauty highlighter, liquid highlighter, or gold opal iridescent highlighter, valued at $35. So that is our box for the month. So guys, the least favorite for me out of our box is going to be the Zisa Cosmetics their redness color corrector, because I don't have that issue, so this I can't use at all. I do like the palette, of course, that's my favorite out of here, along with the Ofra product, because I like Ofra stuff, so I'm always interested in trying out something new from Ofra. This is the blusher, bronzer together, so you could either go one side or go with the other and use them both together, however you choose to do whatever you do. But yeah, I can't wait to try those two out. And then we have the lipstick, but I don't feel like this is my color, so I'm not feeling this either. So the two outs are going to be the redness corrector and the lipstick for me out of this box. Everything else I'm pretty cool with. So guys, that is my box for the month of March 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, if you have not subscribed to this subscription, it's definitely a subscription to kind of break you out of any kind of boring colors. It's always fun colors in this box, something different to try out. So I do like that, and I love the fact that we always get a makeup palette, an eyeshadow palette in every single box. So it's not like you hoping you get it, you know you're gonna get some kind of palette, which I like. So that's my favorite thing about the box. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. So guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I love showing you guys what I'm getting in my subscription boxes, as well as the things that I'm buying. If you're into that kind of thing, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I will catch you on the next one. And everybody, we are bringing in spring this week, so happy spring to all of you. I can't wait for the weather to permanently be nice, because this cold weather is like getting on my nerves. But until my next video, see you on the next one. Bye.